That camera-looking button in the bottom right corner of my phone? That's Google Lens. And if you're not familiar, Google Lens turns your camera into a search tool. Instead of typing, "What is this plant?" or "Where can I buy these shoes?" you just point your phone at it. It uses AI to read the world around you, identifying objects, translating text in real time, and even solving math problems just by looking at them. I grabbed a couple of somewhat challenging items to identify, and I want to see how well this works. First, I'm using my digital camera, and this brand happens to have a big lineup of cameras where they all look more or less the same. Surprisingly though, Google Lens is able to identify the exact model. This is Leica C Type 112. I tried the same with my iPhone and Apple Intelligence, and those results were hit or miss. The other thing I wanted to see if it's able to understand what type of cable I'm showing to it. And not only does it know that it's a micro USB, it also understood that this is from a JBL speaker. I'm not a huge fan of these type of AI tools, but I gotta say, it's impressive how well this works. My last test is a pair of sunglasses. No text, logos, or markings, just the frame. And sure enough, it knows these are Oakley Holbrooks, spot on. So that's Google Lens. A few other things worth calling out. There's also a translate option on the bottom, allowing you to translate text around you. The live icon allows you to point your camera to something complex, like an engine bay of a car, and talk to your phone and ask questions like, "How do I access the air filter on this car?" It'll talk back to you in real time, highlighting where you can find the air filter. Also, if you hold the shutter button, you can record a short video of something moving, like an animal. Google Lens will then use the motion to get a better look of the object. So that's Google Lens. Most of these features work on any Pixel from the last few years, but some of them newer models to be able to handle the AI processing. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.